In this video, we will learn how to create a new ad account or add a new ad account in your Meta Business Manager account. So first you have to come your Meta Business Suite. This is my Meta Business Suite. You can see you can click the setting option. When you click setting option, you come this page and you come this page and you can see business setting. You click here. When you click business setting, you come to business setting, this option. Here you can see there are many options: add your page, add your ad account, create your pixel, e-commerce account. There are many options in your business settings, in your Meta Business settings. So first we create a new ad account or add a new account. In your ad account, you can see there, click add. You can see there are three options: add a new ad account. If you already create a your own ad account, your personal ad account, you can add from here, or you can request a ad account, or you create a new ad account. There is a three option. You can add your ad account in this Meta Business Manager account. So we create a new ad account. Create a new ad account. Click here. First give your own ad account name. So I give my ad account name, NSR ad account. Now give your own time zone. That's very important for managing your ad. So choose your own country time zone. Now give your currency code. You can give your own country currency or USD currency. That's better. What you want. Now give what you want. This ad account for my business. So I click. If you want to create for any agency, you can click here. So now you have to assign your ad account. So I click here, give me assign this ad account. Now you can add your payment info. You can do it from here, or you can do it from later. So you can add your ad payment info. We already create ad account. You can see NSR ad account. You can open in ad manager. If you click here, you can go to your ad manager account, or you can want to assign someone. So assign people, you click here. If you want to give access someone, so you can give access from assign people here, or you can give any partner access. You can give assign a partner here. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you need any kind of help about Facebook marketing, pixel, e-commerce account, server-side tracking, Facebook conversion API, any kind of help, you can contact with me. I working for many clients around the world to provide their digital marketing services and Facebook marketing services. So see you next video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.